Hello everyone, welcome to a new unclogging video on Hellhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. So today it's our complaint site where we have been found that only one manhole is blocked and which is creating mess in whole street. Desilting and removing waste from the manhole has already been done. Next two manholes which are working and flowing. See that the waste has been removed from the manhole. This is the last span which is blocked and this manhole is overflowing, and this overflow is spreading in all over the street. You can see that. So today our job is to unclog this span so this manhole could work properly. Staff is removing the cover so it could be unclogged with the help of a metal wire. There is huge rubbish which is floating over the sewage. See that this kind of rubbish causes blocking the sewer line and the drain. Firstly, they are removing the floating materials, the rubbish which is floating right at the top of the manhole, and after unclogging this span, the desilting and the removing the waste from the bottom will be done.
कुछ नहीं लगन तेरा जा पता नहीं हटना ही नहीं हट जाना जेड़ा राती घूम गया ना जो लोन खत्म होया पिछले महीने दा हैं
They have removed all the rubbish from the top of the manhole. Now they are applying this wire to unclog the sewer line.
ਕਿੱਡੇ ਵਿੰਗੇ ਚਿੱਬੇ ਸਰੀਏ ਰੱਖੇ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਉਹ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਸਰੀਆ ਵੀ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਕਰ ਲਾ
ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਹੀ ਮਾਮਾ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਫੋਟੋ ਬਣਾਇਆ
This person or staff had a haircut after a long time, and its colleagues making fun of him and enjoying their work. The applying of this metal wire is a very difficult and a technical work. And to find out where is the right position of blockage in the sewer pipe, you can see that it's taking huge force to bending and opening it. After one time finding the blockage, if the sewer line don't got functional, they have to put it back and make it straight again, and then bend over it again and put it back into the sewer line. It's a difficult job for these guys, which have they go through it
कोई नहीं,
all
ईद
the
तो
day.
बात करांगे, ਵੱਡੇ ਦਿਨੋਂ ਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ।
Let's see what is the condition of next manhole. Actually, the manhole is a little bit functional, so that is why the material and the waste which is coming from the sewer pipe, the staff is removing it from the next manhole. This waste is coming with the flow of sewage, and staff is removing it so it don't go to the next sewer pipe.
ਚਿੱਤਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ, ਚਿੱਤੜ ਆ। ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਧੋਂਦੇ ਚਿੱਤੜ ਹੀ ਰੁੜ ਕੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ।
ਅੱਛਾ ਦੁੱਧ ਨਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਚੜਵਾ ਦੇ ਜੋਰ ਬੰਦ।
The sewage which was overflowed has gone back now into the manhole. Its level little bit decreased. Now the staff is knocking the doors in the street and asking them to open the taps so the water could be come from the houses, and it will help to wash the uh, sewer pipe and make this sewer line fully functional. Now they are putting the wire back from the sewer pipe.
साहब यार जरा पानी खिला दे भाई साहब। अरे पानी ना खिला दो।
Very less blockage has been attached with this wire, but it makes the sewer line functional. Now the taps of all the houses near to this manhole are open, so the water is coming from all the houses. So it is taking time the manhole to get its level down. This person is removing the rubbish from the wire.
ਦਫ਼ਤਰ
ਉਹ ਐਰਕੀ ਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਾ ਲਈ, ਅਗਲੇ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਲੈ ਲਿਓ ਇਹਦੀ ਕਟਿੰਗ ਸਾਰਾ ਮਹੱਲਾ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਮਹੱਲਾ।
ਆਈ
ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਵੇਲੇ ਦੀ ਕਟਿੰਗ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈ, ਮਿੱਟੀ ਉੱਡਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਪਲਾਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੁੱਲ।
ਨਹੀਂ ਸਰ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੰਬੇ ਆ ਨਾ
Now they are making this steel ball again straight so they can put it back. Now they are applying this steel wire from the other side of the span, because from this side they didn't get too many rubbish or blockage from the pipe. So now they are trying to from the other side the maximum rubbish from the pipe could be removed. After applying the wire from the other side, it also has been removed, and the rubbish also removed from the sewer pipe. And you can see that the level of this manhole is now decreasing. The water from the hoses, from the taps, still continues. Overflow from the all street has been gone, and there is no more overflow in the street. Waste has already been removed from the manholes. Sewage is flowing now. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.